Assalamu alaikum. If you lost someone, or you lost something, and now your heart feels empty, you look at your life and wonder, why did Allah take it away from me? But listen carefully. When Allah takes something away, it's never to harm you. It's to make space for something far better. The pain of losing. Sometimes Allah removes people, jobs, or situations you thought you needed, because He knows what you don't. He knows that thing might have destroyed your peace. He knows that person might have hurt your soul. So, when something leaves your life, it's not a loss. It's Allah's mercy in disguise. But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:216. The test of patience. Yes, it hurts. Losing something or someone you love is not easy. But every test is a message from Allah. Be patient. I have something better for you. Remember, when Allah closed one door for you, He already wrote another one that will open at the right time. Don't chase what He removed. Prepare for what He's about to send. The replacement from Allah. Look back at your life. How many times did you think, this is the end? But later you realized it was just the beginning of something greater? That's how Allah works. He breaks your heart to rebuild it stronger. He removes people to bring you closer to Him. And He takes away what you love, so He can replace it with something you'll love even more. Here indeed, with hardship comes ease. Surah Ash-Sharh 94:6. Emotional closing. So today, if you're hurting, if you feel like life is unfair, just remember this. Allah never removes something from your life, unless He's planning to bless you with something greater. Be patient. Keep making dua. And when that better thing finally comes, you'll smile through your tears and say, Alhamdulillah, Allah's plan was perfect.